See all that? So here is the car. It does need a wash, but I don't know if you can see that it's all swirls. Let's get this clean and then I'll show you exactly what we're dealing with. Right, so here it is. This has all been washed and decontaminated, so this is ready for polish now. Just trying to show you how bad the paint is. But you can see all the, you can see that. The bonnet is bad. Can you see all that? Those are scratches. This section is the passenger rear arch. You can see there. Wow. So this is the test. I'm going for the medium pad, the green pad with the medium cut compound. If that doesn't work, then I'll have to go over with a heavier pad and a heavy cut compound, but we'll see how things go with this one. So you can see that's the polish line there. So this section is the bit I've done, this section is still waiting. From natural light it looks okay. Under light you can see it's a lot better, but it's still not perfect. Like you can see, that was, I think, a stone chip someone has tried to fill in there and it's just gone really bad. Yeah. So I'm going to try another section here with the heavier compound just to see how that comes out. Right, so here is the heavy cut compound I'm going with, and this is the pad. This is like a hybrid microfiber wool heavy cutting pad. See the results. So this is the area just done. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a few holograms from an aggressive cut. You're going to get them. So if we come up here, it's a lot better. But obviously here, I haven't done that bit yet. And then, yeah. So I'm going to have to go over this with Define, just to get rid of that. It doesn't look too bad still. So let's go over with Define and see what the end results are. So this is the area I've just done with one over with Define. And you can see there's the bit I haven't done. And if you come across here, that is the fine and the heavy together. Right, so this is what I'm happy with. The customer's seen it, he's happy as well. So this is going over with a heavy cut and then going over with a fine, like a finishing, and this is it. This is the whole bonnet. And I'll try and get a sun reflection. No, I can't, it's too far away, considering that is what it used to look like. Happy with that. Just got to do the whole car now.